Welcome back to DataShark Academy. While developing applications using Kafka, most of the times you will be dealing with real-time streaming data. Okay. In this lesson, I'm going to show you another trick to simulate these streaming data sources. For this, we are going to use another Linux utility command called tail and pull the last record from a file. Okay. So let's see this in action. Let me bring the terminal up. So I have a file called employees and it has 20 records. Okay. And in previous lesson we already published it using producer and also consumed it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start the same consumer again, okay, in a different window. So my consumer will be Kafka console consumer, and we will read from an existing topic. Okay, and I want to read from beginning. So after pressing enter here, you see that we received some records and these are from the previous exercise. Now let's simulate a real-time streaming data source, okay, and you will see new records coming in here. So let's start the producer now, and this time instead of the cat command we'll use the tail command to create the real-time streaming data source. Okay, so we'll say tail -f -n and one record from a file which is on the root employees, and then we'll say Kafka console producer broker list sandbox. Okay, and the topic we want to publish to is called my topic. All right, present. So as of now it has already published all the records because we did this exercise in the previous lecture. Now let's go back and push some more records into it, and the way to do that is we are going to do echo, and let me add a new record, okay, to our employees file. Enter. So if I go to consumer, you see that record number 21 is already here. Okay, let's push some more records in this file. So I'm going to push another record. This is record number 22. If you see here, what I'm doing is I'm adding new records to the same file. Okay, and producer is reading the last line from the file. So as soon as you have a new record in the file, producer will pick it up and send over to the consumer. So it's kind of a streaming application that you can build for your testing purposes. So press enter here. Now let's go to consumer. You see the record is already here. Alright, so try this out on your end, and if you have any questions, let me know. And again, this is for testing purposes. Don't try to do these things in production applications.